How y'all doing? Anthony with Central Tex here. Um, Today I'm gonna hook up some Halo Remy's LEDs. They're already hooked up, although we're having problems with the pressure switches. So I'm gonna show you how to hook these Halo Remy switches up with relay, 24 volt, 2-pole, normally closed, normally open relays. So if you just bear with me for a minute, I will get this thing started and show you how it's done. Okay, so here's your Remy Halo, and as you can see, they have them hooked up with pressure switches. The first thing I want to do is open up the unit. Obviously, this is a carrier. Carrier gas furnace. So they have these two screws here. Pull these out. As you can see, that's the pressure switch. It's mounted up there. Here's your circuit board. So let me show you how I'm going to do this. I'm going to get everything hooked up and then come back to you. Okay, on these halos, the first thing you want to do is establish polarization to make sure you got the hot on the hot and the common on the common. You see these little white dashes in the line? That right there is going to be your hot side, which is this one. And just to verify that, I'm going to check continuity. So with my multimeters, I'm going to go ahead and stick one end on that. See if I can do this. Stick one end of it inside that line that has the stripes, those white dashes on it. See if I can show that to you. See, that has those white dashes. And then with the other one, I'm gonna take the plug out and stick the other one, the black probe, and I'm gonna stick this inside the plug, and I should get continuity. There should be no resistance. Should get continuity, and that's how you can establish if that is the positive or the hot side of this wire. This side right here, that's going to be your common, and that's going to go to the relay coil on the other side. I will show you how I'm going to wire that relay and get back to you. Thank you. Okay, I'm back. So this is your terminal. Since it's a LED halo, you know they have to turn off when the unit is not cycling. So in order to do that, we could have used those pressure switches, but they were malfunctioning. So what I did is that I hooked up to the cool and the white. Now to cool, it goes down here. It goes to the normally closed side, which then the normally closed jumpers over to the normally open side. And then it goes down to our positive side on a halo, to the power side of the halo, 24 volts. And then on the common side of the halo, I got it coming in right here. This goes down to the halo. And then this side goes to the common on the board. So whether it's in cool or heating, that light will come on. And if the unit is not on at all, then the light will turn off. And that will extend the life of that Halo LED. So I'm not using the power on the transformer side, the R on the terminal. I'm just using W and Y to power up my relay. So that way the Halo will not come on any other time than when the unit is running. All right. Okay, I appreciate you. Again, this is Anthony with Central Tex out of Buda, Texas. Thank you guys. I hope you learned something. I hope this is, another alternative for the Remy Halo LED. That way you don't, you can still extend the life and have the full warranty on the unit. All right, thank you.